Here is an Etsy shop that has made over $91,000 simply by selling these simple digital products. And if you are looking for great products that you can sell on your Etsy shop, well, in this video, I will be revealing 4 unsaturated digital products that you can leverage on and start selling right away this year. Now, on to the very first one, we are talking about personalized website mockups. Now, what exactly are personalized website mockups? So every business, blogger, or creative professional needs a website. But before they build it, they want to see how it exactly looks like. And that is where website mockups come in. Now, these are customizable templates that show you how a website will look like on different devices, whether it's phone, a tablet, or a laptop. And the best part is to do this, you do not even need to be an expert coder in creating this. You can leverage on tools like Canva, Figma, or even Photoshop to help you design these stunning mockups. So if you want to go over to Canva, in the search bar, you want to type website mockups. Now, I really love Canva because it's a very simple tool that any beginner can use, and they have a lot of templates that you can easily customize and switch to your own preference, even if you have zero design skills. Now, you can see that whilst we have searched website mockups, Canva has brought out several templates, and you can see the way the template is, it shows how a website will look like on a laptop, on a tablet, on a mobile phone. So if we should click, let us say we click on this one, you simply want to click customize this template. Now, mind you, this particular one is a pro feature. So as much as Canva has a lot of free templates, they also have quite a number of templates that are pro features. However, Canva has a 30-day plan that will allow you to leverage on the pro version for free for 30 days. So you want to click on customize this template. And once you do that, it will take you to this particular template here where you can easily switch or customize it. And you want to simply share or save as a template. Now, this particular digital product is unsaturated because most people are still selling generic mockups. But this year, personalization is really going to be huge. You want to think about offering mockups tailored for specific niches. For example, it could be like cafes, it could be online stores, or even portfolios. And the earning potential of this, depending on the complexity, you can sell this for about $15 to $50 per mockup because you are niching down. And since it's digital, you can create it once and sell it over and over again, which is totally cool. Now, the second website we are looking at that can make you thousands of dollars and is completely unsaturated is digital scrapbooking kit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Scrapbooking seems old school. Well, yes and no. Traditional scrapbooking might be fading, but digital scrapbooking is actually booming. People love creating digital memories, whether it's for travel, journals, baby books, or even Instagram stories. And this is where your kits come in handy because these kits will include things like digital papers, stickers, and frames that people can use to create their own designs. Now, this is unsaturated because most sellers focus on physical scrapbooking supplies, but the digital space, there is a lot of potential in that. Plus, tools like Procreate or Adobe Illustrator makes it super easy to create these kits. And the earning potential for this, you can sell these kits for $5 to $30, and once you create a few, you can bundle them for even more profit. So this is something you want to really hop on and start leveraging on this year. Now, let us talk about the third one, and the third one will be personalized social media content calendars. Now, if there is one thing every content creator, influencer, or small business owner needs, it's a plan for their social media. But here's the thing, most people do not have the time or the skill to create from scratch, and this is where exactly you come in. Now, you can design customizable content calendars that help people plan their posts, can track engagement, and even stay organized. This can be in form of, PDFs, Excel sheets, or even Notion templates. To do this, you can easily go to Notion, and on your Notion dashboard, you may want to create a new page, which will be for social media content calendar. So you can just simply type that here. And I want to build a table more like a calendar that people can easily put in their tasks for the day, or for them to also be able to see an overview on what they have to do each day of the week for every month. So you can see that we have gradually started building our social media content calendar, and I simply gave it a command to say, give me a calendar showing the days of the week of each month so you can plan daily tasks. And you can see that it has given us this. You may want to touch it up to your own taste, but with this, anyone is able to click any part of the days of the month, edit it to fill in whatever task they have. And once you are done creating, you want to click on share, and you will be able to share your Notion templates and put it on your Etsy store. Of course, aside using Notion, you can also make use of Google Sheets, depending on whichever you want to use. However, you want to put in a lot more of value in it so that you can be able to charge more. For example, you can see this content calendar. For example, you can do content calendar for every single day of the month, for every month of the year, and bundle it in your kit. You may also want to put content strategies or tips or schedules just to give it more value. This is unsaturated because most sellers are offering generic calendars. But in this year, people want calendars tailored to their niche, like fitness, beauty, or even small businesses. And the earning potential, you can sell this for about $10 to $40 because you are personalizing, you are niching down, and you are giving more value than just a random generic content calendar. And once you are done creating a template, you can sell it hundreds of times. It's literally passive income waiting to happen. And now the very fourth one is AI prompt bundles. Now, this is super futuristic because AI is literally taking the lead right now. And this is perfect for the time that we are in. And if you have been paying attention, you would know that AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Midjourney, the E are changing the game. But here is the thing. Not everybody knows how to use them effectively. I mean, the results that this AI tool will give you will depend on the detail and the extent of the prompt that you give this AI to. So not everybody knows how to give this AI to prompt to get the results they desire. And this is where you come in. For example, you could create prompts for bloggers, marketers, or even artists. In my previous videos where I show how you can leverage ChatGPT, you would always see that I am giving ChatGPT a prompt. And those prompts are prompts that have worked for me. And that is just an example of what you can do. You can also put together prompts that you already have working for you in your area of specialty, put it together, bundle it, and sell. Another way you can create this prompt is to simply try different prompts until you get the desired result. And I would suggest that you try prompts within niches you are familiar with. Probably if you are a writer for blogs, you may want to try how to write content for blogs with ChatGPT. And of course, you can then bundle those prompts into an AI prompt bundle. So you want to do something within your specialty because that way you understand the extent or the quality of result that is required for that particular niche. And the earning potential for this is you can sell these bundles for $10 to $50 depending on the niche. And since AI is already getting bigger, the perfect time to get in early and dominate the market is now. I hope you found this helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you first. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.